Okay, let's dive right in. Today, we're not just explaining a tool, we're actually building a powerful, personalized AI assistant, basically from scratch. We're going to follow the journey of a professional who completely transformed their workflow, and I'll show you exactly how you can do the very same thing.
So, let's meet Alex. Alex is a perishables manager for a huge supermarket chain, and, well, their world is a constant battle against information overload. I mean, every single day, it's just this tidal wave of data hitting their desk, their inbox, their brain. I mean, just think about it for a second. They're trying to spot trends in sales reports while juggling these massive, complex inventory logs. Then, they have to write training manuals for new staff, but also review super detailed supplier specs and sign off on daily quality checks. It's just this storm of disconnected information, which makes making smart, strategic decisions, well, it feels almost impossible.
But Alex found a way to turn all that chaos into clarity, and we're going to follow their journey step by step. We'll see how they went from literally drowning in data to building a custom AI assistant, and this is a blueprint you can use no matter what your job is.
Okay, so we've set the stage. Alex has a big, messy problem that needs a really powerful, and I mean personalized solution. It's not about working harder anymore. It's about working way, way smarter. And this is the question that changes everything. It's the spark that starts this whole journey. What if AI wasn't just some generic chatbot? What if you could train it, focus it, and tailor it specifically to the unique challenges of your job?
So this journey really begins with a strong foundation. And listen, this isn't about just dumping every file you have into some folder. It's about curating a focused, high-quality knowledge base inside NotebookLM.
You know, this is the biggest mistake people make. They treat it like a digital junk drawer. Alex is surgical. They create a new, very specific notebook and call it Perishables Management. It has one single mission, and they're super selective, only adding trusted, vetted sources. Remember, quality in, quality out.
And notice the variety here, because this is really cool. It's not just a stack of boring PDFs. Alex adds the Q1 sales analysis, sure, but also a direct link to the official Food Safety Standards website. They throw in a YouTube training video on handling fruit, their own Google Doc with the staff training guide, and even just raw text copied from the daily quality reports. This is what creates a rich, multi-format knowledge base that the AI can really learn from.
But, you know, just having the data isn't enough. You have to tell the AI how to use it, what lens to look through, what role it should play. You've got to give it a personality and a purpose.
So inside NotebookLM's Configure Notebook settings, Alex uses custom instructions. This feature is the absolute key to transforming the AI from a generic tool into a specialized expert. And get this, with a 10,000 character limit, you can get incredibly specific.
Now, obviously, this example here is for a marathon coach, but Alex applies the exact same principle. Instead of a coach, they instruct the AI to act like an expert perishables manager with years and years of experience in supply chain, quality control, and data analysis.
And this is where we take the next big leap. We're taking that knowledge base and that expert persona, and we're locking them together into a custom, reusable tool inside of Gemini called a gem. This is where it goes from being a one-off project to a permanent assistant you can use every day.
So the best way to think about it is like this. NotebookLM provides the what. That's the grounded, curated knowledge from your sources. The gem provides the how. That's the expert behavior, the specific instructions, the persona you built. Knowledge plus behavior, that equals a true AI agent.
And the process is actually surprisingly straightforward. Alex opens up Gemini, creates a new gem, and just pastes in those detailed instructions. Then, and this is the absolute crucial step, in the knowledge section, they connect their perishables management notebook directly as its knowledge base. They hit save, and boom, their custom tool is born.
This is the actual instruction Alex gives the gem. Notice how it defines multiple roles: supply chain manager, quality inspector, data analyst, and most importantly, it grounds the AI, telling it to base its answers only on the sources they provided. That little detail is what prevents it from making stuff up and keeps the output hyper-relevant. All right, now for the magic. Let's see how Alex puts the Perishables Pro gem to work, turning those overwhelming daily challenges into tasks that take minutes, not hours. This is where the theory becomes reality. First up, sales analysis. Alex is tired of manually cross-referencing all these spreadsheets, so they give their new Gemma a simple, direct prompt. In seconds, the gem synthesizes the sales PDFs and the daily quality reports, creating this clear, actionable table. It doesn't just identify the problem vegetables. It digs into the sources to tell Alex why they're underperforming. See, that's insight, not just data. Okay, next up, staff training. Instead of spending an hour creating materials from scratch, Alex just asks the gem to do it for them.
And just like that, the gem generates perfect flashcards. And look at the bottom. It even includes citations, linking right back to the exact page in the source document. The output isn't just fast, it's verifiable and it's trustworthy.
Finally, Alex needs to prep for the morning team meeting. They're short on time and they need to communicate some best practices and do it clearly.
So, using its knowledge of the storage procedures and its persona as an expert manager, the Perishables Pro Gem generates a professional, visually designed slide deck in just minutes. What used to be an hour of messing with PowerPoint is now a single prompt, and Alex is ready for the meeting.
So, you see, Alex's story isn't really just about managing perishables. It's a template. This powerful workflow, curating high-quality knowledge, defining an expert behavior, and forging a custom gem can be applied to literally any role in any industry.
So, whether you're a financial analyst who needs to dissect market reports, a marketer creating campaign strategies, or an educator building lesson plans, this is how you move beyond simple AI chat. This is how you build a tool that truly works for you, grounded in your knowledge. So the only question left is, what expert assistant will you build?